Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw this very strange looking character, Gearhead from Jerry. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this strange looking character, and here's my sketch underneath. So the head's gonna be really simple. We just gotta draw in 2 circles, and we're gonna draw in the big one first. So this is gonna be the shape of the gear. Okay, so my circle is a little bit wobbly, but that's okay. Alright, so that's the outer circle, and then right on the center right here, I'm just gonna draw a smaller one. Okay, so that's the overall shape, and then right in the center right here, let's just go ahead and draw a little dot in here so that we know this is gonna be the center. So now from here, we're gonna draw in those the little gears on the little details on the gear. Okay, so we're gonna start right in the center right here. Just come up. Just gonna draw one, just a little bracket like this first. And then from the top, let's draw in the bottom one. So we'll try to space it out evenly. So once we have the top and bottom, we'll draw the side ones. So come to the side, draw a line first, and then just come into the circle. So same thing here. Okay, so now that we have 4 of them, we're gonna draw in one more in between. So just try to space it out as best as you can, just from this space right here. Draw another line at a slant. Okay, so same thing here. So we're just kind of going around the circle, and then 2 more down here. So just try to space it out. Okay, so that's the gear, and then for the other details, I'm just gonna draw the same dot right here, just wherever you have one of these little gears or notches. I'm just gonna draw a little dot. Let's just go all the way around. So I know in the game he's got a lot more of these little details on the gear, but we're just gonna keep it simple. Okay, so that's the head, and now let's draw in the body. And for the body, I'm gonna draw in, just come right around here. This is gonna be almost the width of the shoulder here. Once you get to here, just come in. So this is gonna be his chest area. We'll give him a little bit of musculature. And then now from here, this is gonna be the armpit. Just gonna pinch it in, close it off, and this is gonna be his waist. All right, so from here, let's finish up the shoulder and the shirt. Right in the armpit right here. Just kind of flare out. I know it looks a little bit strange right now, but we're gonna connect this to the top. We'll just curve it up. That's gonna give us the full shoulder right here. And then for the arms, very simple right here, right in the armpit, come down. And then for this one's the shirt sleeve, so we'll come in slightly, curve down, and then we'll just close that off first. Okay, so from the armpit, curve down, right around here, come in, curve, and then just close it off. Alright, so that's his bicep, and then now for the lower arm, we'll just extend this because he's got those big gloves. Extend the line, pinch it in, this is going to be the wrist. And then for his fist right here, it's one little hook for the thumb, back of the fist, and then just step it down, and then go back up right into the thumb. And then to add a little bit of detail right here, just one little curve for the other fingers. Okay, so same thing here. We'll extend the line, pinch it in. So just use the other side for reference. One little hook for the thumb, and then just come down, back of the fist, dip down, and then go up. And then same thing here, just one little line going to this corner. Alright, and some detail right here. I'm just gonna add one little line on the glove. Okay, so now for the legs, just come down the center right here. I'm just gonna make a little mark first. Come to the side, come down, and then the inside right here. And then just round this off. It's got a little knee pad. And then from this curve down on the bottom, just come back up. Just make it into like a little egg shape. Okay, come down on the inside. Now round off the bottom. And then just go back up, round it out into an egg shape. Alright, and then now for the lower legs, just come down slightly and close it off first. And then we'll draw in the boot. So for the boot, again, I'm going to extend the line just a little bit, and this one's going to come all the way down. And then on the outside right here, come down. And then right here, just give it a little bit bump coming out, and then close off the bottom. And then right here, I'm just gonna extend the curve coming in, just to give it a little bit more perspective. Okay, so same thing here, extend the line. This one's gonna go all the way down. Come down, stop a little bit short. One bump going out. Close this off, and then again, just extend the curve inward just slightly. And that is it for this Gearhead drawing. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.